camping's not your thing, then I got half a dozen R1250 RTs, and then we'll go city hopping and then do 5-star hotels. There's going to be something for everybody's pocket, and that's the good thing. You'll be just having to turn up, there'll be a bike waiting, and then we're going to have some fun. And there's going to be multiple different itineraries. So for those that want to learn more about the BMW lifestyle, there'll be an itinerary for that. For those that are experienced and just want to ride, camp or hotel, there's an itinerary for that. For the intermediates, there's an itinerary for that. So I'm putting together about 16 different programs that me and a couple of friends will be there to help you, teach you, help you enjoy, and just live the life. But doing it in the beautiful, sunny Cadiz region. So you'll be around Atlantera. We'll go to the Sierra Nevada, and that'll be fun. So you go camping up in the Sierra Nevada, and then we'll do things that are slightly different. And then if you need a bespoke, where you want to mix between the two, you want to do some city touring and then some camping, we can do that as well. Don't worry about it, there's something for everyone. You can do it 1 up, 2 up, and it'll be fun. But the one thing it will be good weather always, and it'll be about enjoyment and putting a big grin on your face, because that big grin is important. There isn't another bike on the planet, and I've said this before, that gives me a rush the way that Sam does. And it took me a while to become comfortable, but it was because I wasn't listening. I was talking in English and she was German. So of course she didn't understand me. Mind you, saying that, my ex-wife is Welsh, English spoken, and she doesn't understand me. She understands me, but sometimes she didn't understand some of the bullshit that came out of my mouth, which you've probably had a taste of already. But the K1600 is not a bullshit bike. The K1600 is the best bike on the planet bar none. There isn't another bike that can do what the K1600 does in the way that the K1600 does it, and makes you feel the way that a K1600 does, because there is only that one bike. Now, a K1600 is about having to listen in ways that I've never done before. I know when she's feeling unwell. I can touch the engine casing, and she talks to me. I can feel the vibration through the engine, and that, I know when she's feeling good, so I know what that feels like. I know when she's feeling slightly off, and I know what that feels like. And when she needs oil, I know what that feels like. And when you listen to that beautiful turbine smoothness that only the 1600 has, now there isn't another manufacturer that has this. Now, you'll listen to people who are going, oh, my Goldwings, 6, blah, 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 and I've got a 6, and I've got a 6, and I said, yeah, you may have, but you don't have this type of 6. This 6 is high performance, economical, easy to live with, controllable, sedate, elegant, purposeful. Fill in your own adjectives, because I can talk for weeks about how beautiful I think this K1600 is. But Grant and Rob, listen to what she's telling you. Listen to the way she talks. Listen to what she's feeling and showing you, because there are ways that only a K1600 can do and talk and feel and discuss, and that is totally different than any other bike on the market, because there isn't another bike on the market that will do this. And that's the beauty. So we will be back in a little while, so I'm going to need coffee.